So finally, there is a way you can create actual interesting UGC style ads that have some movement, some action, not just simple talking head videos. And here are a few examples that I created. I will show you full workflow, how I created them without switching to 10 different apps. You can do this in one platform, which is called Max Fusion. But first of all, let's check some ads that I created fully with AI.
Just said play defense.
Don't be a little baby and stand up for yourself. If you don't want that to happen to you,
let's move to the second ad.
Playing out of bounds. Stop talking nonsense.
if you don't want that to happen to you, start using our muscle for approach.
So as you can see, high action, ultra realistic and funny. Now let's see something more simple, but still looks ultra realistic.
This is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lip Kit, and I'm already obsessed. You get the liner and the gloss, both the perfect rosy nude. Liner goes on like butter, gloss is comfy but glassy. Girl, I threw away all my lip kits for this one. Worth it. Grandma approved.
Now this was created with only one prompt. And the last one.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah!
These bath bombs are made with natural deep sea salt and plant essential oils, which can deeply moisturize baby's skin. Are super gentle and non-irritating.
We have 3 different examples and I will show you how I created these. And it took me like few hours to create all of this, which is insane. And you can do this in single platform. So what you will do, you will just start a new project. Now, this is basically the secret sauce that I didn't know about, but this changes the whole game. So you open the copy lab. Now what you will do, you will upload the video that you want to recreate. So here is the original video. And this video had like hundreds of thousands of views, and I basically just stumbled upon in TikTok and it grabbed my attention because here you can see the altercation and then it starts to look professional. What you can do, you can press this extract frames. Now you will select the perfect frames from which you will create a video. So mark frame, this is the first frame, then I will basically create a video using probably SOAR 2 or Kling 3.0 with this altercation. This frame, just mark frame. I will not take this first part because it is a little bit too complicated for AI to do. Now save frames. Here you will automatically see that we have 2 images. Now what you can do, just press on this here, send to banana clone and send to banana clone. Now what will happen, the Nano Banana Pro will basically recreate these images. These will be unique. And here is the altercation frame. As you can see, looks incredible, looks like real photo. And here is the professional looking against the fence frame, which was recreated by cloning the image. Now, as you can see, the light in this image and the light in this image are different. So what I did, I basically wrote a little prompt and I created this one. So now it looks a little bit more similar to the first frame. Here I made the third image, which will be my third frame. Here's the prompt. You can copy and paste it if you try to create something similar. After that, you will just click on the image. Here you will generate the video. And now you can select many different best video models available. And here is Kling, SOAR 2 Pro. Now Kling is much cheaper, but you can use SOAR 2 Pro and you can also use Riz. I will explain you what this is because this is not a regular AI model. So select Kling 3.0, describe the scene that they are pushing each other, the tense altercation or something like that. Then your video is ready. And here you can see.
Stop talking nonsense.
I mean, this looks insane. And the next thing is that basically you will stitch all the clips together so they make sense. I basically used myself as one of the characters and I made them into a white people. And here is the white people results. And it took me like 20 plus images, which are really cheap because this is Nano Banana 2. And I created a whole another scene. Basically the same scene with different characters. So the next video, the next ad was this one.
Lip Kit, and I'm already obsessed.
Now this is more like UGC style. video, and I used Sort 2 to create this.
I threw away all my lip kits for this one.
Now here you're gonna see the full prompt. What's special about this prompt is that I wrote multiple cuts, really engaging video, add something unexpected and funny. And the unexpected and funny thing was this random grandma, which automatically gave me an amazing idea to create more scenes with the grandma. I mean, everyone loves when old people are joking on the internet. Those videos usually get hundreds of thousands, even millions of views. And again, this looks ultra realistic. I used Sort 2 Pro. Sort 2 Pro is so much better than the regular Sort 2. I would suggest you, when you create videos with Sort 2 Pro, you can upload actual product, and the product will be looking 100% the same as it is in the real life. That's why that's the only thing I should have done, uploaded the actual image of the brand. Now, after I created this video, I did the same thing. I went to Copy Lab. I extracted frames. I extracted this frame with the woman, and then with the woman and the grandma. I wanted the grandma to be here as well, and here are 2 frames. Then I sent them to a banana clone, and here I generated more images. So here are different scenes with the same consistent character, the same woman and the grandma in the scene as well. And this is how you can create funny UGC style videos with multiple characters, which are not just static talking, like holding some product and just talking with some boring b-roll. To basically create something funny, something interesting, something with action. That's how people will not understand that this is AI, especially with Sort 2 and Kling 3.0. Here you see simple video, curling, doing arm curls, and the grandma in the background falls down. You can make this even more subtle, like the background could be blurred out. She could be in a distance, so it would look even more realistic. Now here is another one. They are doing yoga, and suddenly the grandma just falls down. You can sell some health product, because most of the old people are actually believing these videos. So you post this on Facebook or TikTok and just sell something for seniors, for older people. And then we have the third example. So this was the original video that I uploaded from TikTok. This got like 800,000 views on TikTok.
Okay, you ready?
And I wanted basically to recreate it. So basically this boy throws a bat bomb into a bat and it foams, and then a little basically toy comes out. And after that, we have a real UGC style video where the woman is explaining what this is. Now again, you just extract frames, select which frames you want. So for example, this one, then the woman talking. You basically need 2 frames, maybe 3 frames with the foam. And then I just went and created some videos. As you can see, the foam is not impressive like at all, but still the toy comes out and the kid is happy. Now you can just adjust the prompt, and here is the UGC style video.
Natural deep sea salt and plant essential oils.
Now the biggest problem with AI videos right now is the duration. Now you can probably make like 15 seconds long videos max, but where this platform comes in handy for this specific problem is, for example, choose an image you want to create as a UGC talking head video. Select this, select the basic generate video, and here you can choose this Riz. Now, as you can see, this is up to 60 seconds, and for short form media, you don't need more than 60 seconds, but this is, I mean, this is insane, because this will be perfect lip sync for any image. Not just lip sync, this will be a real avatar looking like real life person, and I will show you how it looks. But you will just select this, and the next thing, which is crazy, is that you can also add generate speech using 11 Labs. You can choose the free voices, but you can also clone the voice that was generated with the AI. You can even use yourself as the character, design voice. Now, for designing voice and cloning voice, you will need 11 Labs subscription, but still you can just, you will have to connect the API from 11 Lab to this platform, and you will not how to switch from this app to 11 Lab. You will be able to do everything right here. The only thing you will need is, again, the 11 Labs API and the subscription. But other than that, you will just paste the text or upload audio. And the best part about the text-to-speech is that you can add emotion tags, and after you press this button, it will automatically create these basically emotion tags for each sentence, and you can even write something different that you want, and this will make the whole speech more realistic. Then you will just generate audio, but before you generate audio, you can actually press play. So this is one of the results that I created.
Are super gentle and non-irritating, and each color has its own unique fragrance. If you want to grab some, click the orange cart below before they sell out.
Now, after you create this video, you will still have to do some cuts because between the sentences we have a little pause. Also, when you create these videos with a Reese model, the only thing you have to remember is that there will be not a lot of camera movement. Here is basically the prompt I used. Handheld camera shaky, zooms in on the box and zooms out back, focusing on the woman talking. Now, nothing of this happened. This is only basically for a quite still frames and the person talking and showing something. That's all you can do. Nothing really complicated, but still, this is 60 seconds, ultra realistic UGC style video. When you add B-roll and add different scenes, this will look ultra realistic. And again, the best part about this is that you can basically create up to 60 seconds long videos with audio. So you cannot do this on any major AI video model right now. For this scene, I basically used Kling 3.0 because the Kling 3.0 is the best for some movement in the videos. Now, the best part is that the AI will get only better. And this is basically only one platform. You can do everything from creating images, creating text to audio, creating video, and this is done on one platform. You don't have to switch to 10 different apps. And if right now the AI videos look like 90%, 80% close to reality, in 1 to 6 months, it will look 99% like real life. No one, even young people, will not be able to distinguish between AI and real life. That's why don't forget about this platform. The link is below in the description. And if you want to see more crazy videos or AI creations from me, follow me on Instagram, because right there you can post absolutely everything. You cannot post that much on this platform, on YouTube. That's why, yeah, if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload, get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on AI news, AI alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.